Millions of years ago, dead plants and animals were buried under layers of sand and mud. Over time, intense
Temperature of years. Over millions of years, the buried organic material slowly turns into crude oil. Scientists search for oil using seismic surveys. They send sound waves deep into the ground and analyze the fructus. Once a suitable location is found, engineers install a drilling rig. A powerful drill bores. When the drill reaches the oil reservoir, crude oil begins to flow through the well. Pumping machines help bring the oil. The crude oil is then transported from the oil field to a refinery through pipelines, ships, or tanker trucks. Inside the refinery, crude oil is first heated in a furnace until it turns into a hot mixture of liquid and vapor. This hot mixture enters a tall distillation tower. As the vapors rise and cool, different fuels separate. At the top of the tower, the lightest gases, such as LPG, are separated. These gases are contracles. In the upper middle section, gasoline, also called petrol, is separated and collected. Lower in the tower, heavier fuels like kerosene and diesel are separated. These fuels are used in airplanes. After refining, fuels like petrol, diesel, and kerosene are transported to fuel stations and industries, powering